Hi, my name's Jo Freya. I'm a folk saxophonist, clarinet player, whistle player and singer. And when I say folk saxophonist, what I mean is I'm self-taught, and the way that I play is informed predominantly by what might be described as more traditional instruments like fiddles, whistles and bagpipes. So you'll hear the decorations that I play. Also, they're like the way I sing, as well as how those instruments would play decorations. I play in various bands, Blowzabella, Narthen, Moirai, Token Women, the old Swan band, quite a lot more, six-piece singing thing with Michael Morpurgo called Voices at the Door, and a lot of other things historically over time. And you can find out more about me on www.HareMusic.co.uk. I also do a lot of workshops for mixed instrument groups and individuals, teaching European tunes, UK tunes, and I mentor people in their music and how they wish to progress and stuff like that. So the tune that I've picked for you is a traditional English tune. It comes from the archives at Cecil Sharp House, and I came across this tune when I was involved in a teaching programme in Lincolnshire as part of the Full English project. The tune is called New Lincoln. Its catalogue number is WC129. And it's one of those little gems where you come across and you think, oh, what a lovely tune. It's a slow tune, and I like slow tunes. It has an emotional content for me. So I'll play it at the speed that I normally play it. And I'll play it twice through, because that way, if you're learning, when you scroll back to the beginning of the video, you'll be able to just find it a couple of times through. And then afterwards, I'll play it a little more slowly. This is a B-flat instrument. It's a soprano saxophone, and I'm playing in D major. So there's your D. Hopefully it'll be a D for you too. So here we go. So that's the tune. That is the speed I like to play it. The thing about the archives is, because there's no recorded version of it, you can't really tell what speed it was intended for, but I feel it like a kind of promenade, a march. So we'll play it just a little bit more slowly, and I will iron out any decorations, or at least I will try to. So same again, but a little bit slower. And I have yet to record that tune, but I've been happily spreading it around as far as possible. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to meeting you in person somewhere. Thank you very much.